Whilst traditional parts cleaners may be effective, they also pose health and safety risks.
These substances can be toxic, flammable, and cause pollution. With Purasolve Parts Cleaner SK, you get a powerful parts washing solution without compromising worker health and safety. Purasolve Parts Cleaner SK is specially formulated for the easy removal of heavy-bearing grease, burnt-on carbon, grime, and oil. Purasolve Parts Cleaner SK is slow evaporating, non-explosive, and has very low VOC emissions that even surpass some of the most stringent space exploration requirements. It is free of harmful and unhealthy chemicals, keeping your workers safe. What's more, it is fully recyclable and can be reused for a minimum of 18 months. This greatly reduces the volume of products purchased as well as lowers disposal costs, providing cost savings. The product is used neat in a soaking application or in an agitating or brush-assisted parts washer. It is recommended that the product be used in conjunction with Purasolve Parts Washers or Purasolve Filter Kit. The Purasolve Parts Washing System has a unique filtration element, which when properly managed and used in conjunction with the Purasolve Parts Cleaner SK can extend solvent life for several years. If using the Purasolve PS6 parts washer, use the flexible hose or handheld brush to direct the cleaning fluid stream at the parts. For soaking, place the parts to be cleaned in the parts washer with Purasolve Parts Cleaner SK. Agitation will be required by a vibrating table, flow circulation and/or the manual use of a brush. Most cleaning applications simply require a brush-style clean, and that can be performed in seconds. Soak time of up to 20 minutes may be needed for heavy soiling. When parts are clean, move to the drying rack before reinstallation. Purasolve Parts Cleaner SK will also act as a rust inhibitor for parts that need to be stored prior to reuse. If using the Purasolve agitating parts washer, load the part to be cleaned onto the machine tray. Close the pneumatic lid and set according to the desired speed and leave for up to 20 minutes, depending on the severity of soiling, before removing cleaned items. The agitating table lifts out of the parts cleaning solvent, allowing for drying time if required. Purasolve Parts Cleaner SK is an effective, powerful, heavy-duty parts washing solution developed to replace dangerous solvents for parts cleaning. It is safer for your workforce and better for the planet. For more information, contact us at 1800 777 580 or sales@envirofluid.com.